In this video, I'm going to talk about how to run Python on the command prompt on Windows 10 computers. So, assuming that you have installed Python, and instead of running it on the idle feature that is also pre-installed with Python, you want to run it on the command prompt. So you can just open command prompt. In my case, it is already open. So I'm gonna type in Python. So when I type Python, I get this error message. It's not recognized as an internal or external command, parable program, or batch file. So how do you run Python on the command prompt? So I've got a step-by-step procedure here. So first is you want to add the Python paths to the environment variables. So this is where the Python path is where you installed Python. So in my case, it is already opened. So this is the path where the Python is installed here. So you can just so I copied it, and this is the first path that you have to add, and second one. This is the second one. So I'm gonna go to the environment variables. So I just have to go to PC, right click on it, properties, and then advanced system settings, and then from the advanced tab, environment variables, and then under system variables, just look for path here, and then click edit. So this is where you need to add the Python paths. So let's go ahead and do that. New, second one, then click OK, 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 and then you can go ahead and close this. So when I type Python again, it still doesn't work. So you have to close and open command prompt. So I'm gonna close and type CMD and then Python. Now it works. And of course you have to test it if it's really working. So you can test it by doing this, just a simple hello world, and then enter, and then yeah, it works. So that's how you can run Python on the command prompt on Windows 10 computers. Thanks for watching.